So, what's up, guys? It's all about the classes are like the blending modes. Okay, so what are the blending modes? I have explained, but not in that steadily. So, today I'm gonna explain it in a proper manner. Alright, so blending mode basically blends the color. Alright, some blending modes help us to enhance the color. Some blending mode help us to like diffuse the colors, creating the shadows, creating the textures, creating the depth areas, creating the light, creating the overexposed area. So it's depends on a lot of stuff. Alright, so today we're gonna talk about the normal blending mode and more on. Fine. So what are normal blending modes and all stuff? Let's see. Look, once you will lost your this kind of panels, what you will do, just click here, graphic and web. Okay, so it's all here: properties, layers, windows, adjustments. Okay, so you can, suppose I need a photography mode. Here is my photography mode. Alright, so look, okay, I have created a like colored background. I've just added gray color. Fine. Or what you can do, all backspace. Okay, if you take a new layer, if you make the layer multiply and use the gray color, it will turn into a darker side. Look, more, more darker. You see, but they are in a like normal mode. So if you see in a normal mode, they are basically this kind of colors. Look, all right. So here is, I have taken some like colors and they are from like black and white kind of color. So I will just multiply it. Look, it create the tones. Look, color burn. If you do the color burn, if you take a white, they will give you a light kind of textures. Look, if I use a darker like gray color, it's, the places are burning, color burn. Fine. Look. So there are different modes and stuff. Look, what you have to understand. Blending mode is kind of a technique that you have with you. Alright. But you have to focus on one single thing, that is concept and the look and feel. What exact you want? What exact means, suppose I will create I will not use any kind of blending modes. So if you don't use blending modes, what happens, you can be more specific on choosing things. You can train your eyes. So train your eyes, guide your eyes. See, I'm just removing the pen pressure. Just don't want it right now. Just use the silhouette or just creating the monochromatic tones. Use some shadows. Always try to create something through an example only. Alright, then only you can understand the basics and all, because you guys are creative persons. Some sort of like fences. Okay, some sort of a grass, lighter tone. Just decreasing the opacity a little bit more. So this now, if you can blend this, now look, the dissolve, blur, and this more stuff you can get. A lot of things you can explore. All right. So in normal blending mode, there's nothing special. It's just the normal one. You no need to blend it. You just have to create each and every single object, single thing by your own. That's it. Clear? Just create any story, man. Just create any story. That will help you to enhance your creativity. That's it. All right. So yes, in the next session, what you're gonna learn? You're gonna learn the next tool called dissolve. All right, how dissolve works, and where we can use the dissolve thing and all stuff. Fine. So thank you guys. Bye bye.